Hi guys, Nagraj here. Welcome back to my channel, and today we'll discuss about the Java features. Java is more popular language because of this, as Java provides a high security and it is platform independent. I have listed few around 8 features. The first one is simple design and object oriented, platform independent and portable, high performance, distributed, robust and secure, dynamic in nature, and multi-threading. Okay, so we'll see one by one. Okay, first one I will take simple and familiar. When Java developed initially, they wanted to make it very simple because they want to work on the electronic device where less memory is available. If you consider the before Java, we have a C and C++ language. In C and C++, we have a pointer concept and a goto statement. These two usually it takes more memory and also it are complex. So based on this concept, right? So Java eliminated these two concepts. That means this pointer and goto statement not there in Java. Java is structured language and it is easy to understand and easy to learn because the syntax are very easy to write. So we can say Java is very simple language. And why it is called familiar? Because those who are worked on C and C++, for them it is very easy because the Java maintained the almost same syntax of C and C++. Those who are aware of C and C++, for them it is Java learning is very easy as the syntax are almost same. And we'll see the next features, that is object oriented. By considering the wrapper class, so Java we can say that it is a pure object-oriented programming language. So Java program it uses object and class concept. Once you are writing the program, right, the code and data will be resides in object and the class. Due to this object-oriented nature, Java can be stretchable. Means we can stretch it very easily, and the object concept is simple and easy to extend. Okay, next is the platform independent and portable. What is platform independent? Before getting to the platform independent, we need to know few information regarding what is source code and what is .class file and what is bytecode. When we start write the code, that will be in the form of source code, that is in the .java file. During compilation, Java compiler converts the source code into the bytecode. Bytecode is nothing but it is in the .class file. This bytecode can run on any machine. I mean any processor or OS. We can run this bytecode to any machine or OS. So Java we can say it's a platform independent. The code which we write, that will be in the source code, that is a human readable in form. But this human readable form not possible to read by the processor. JVM in the sense it's a Java virtual machine. Its task is to convert the .class file, okay, the bytecode into the machine readable form. That is so that it is in the form of 0 and 1. Maybe we can say that it's a platform dependent. In the interview they will ask Java is platform dependent or independent. So you should answer like Java is a platform independent, okay, and JVM is platform dependent. As it is a dependent to the platform, we need to install separate JVM for each machine. But bytecode whichever is executed compiled by any machine can able to execute in any machine because the JVM will be taken care of those bytecode and it will be convert those bytecode into the machine readable form with respect to the which machine it got installed. With the same code whichever we have compiled earlier, we can run on every machine. So we can say it is a portable. Okay, we'll move to the next. Java is a high performance. Java uses the compiler like interpreter, but along with this interpreter we have one more card, just-in-time compiler. So or in short we can say JIT compiler. So as we are using Git compiler, so the execution speed will be more. So okay, next is distributed. As Java is designed for internet usage, right? So it has a ability to share the data and the program various computer on the internet. With the J2EE, we can develop the distributed application with the trusted network. Okay, next one is Java is more robust and secure. So this is very important in terms of why we should go for Java. Okay, Java is so strong so that it won't crash easily because it has a strong inbuilt exception handling feature and the memory management of the Java is very good. and the effective use of the garbage collections. So garbage collection, it won't allow us to have some unwanted objects to be created and it left over. This garbage collector will remove those unwanted objects which are created earlier. In terms of security, Java takes the first place actually in compared to the previous languages if you consider C, C++, because while internet usage, right, so it eliminates the tampering, impersonation and virus which are oftenly occurs in the internet. And also Java won't harm to our machine OS, because the Java is not directly interacting with our system OS, because the Java is running on its own Java runtime environment. So we can say that our Java, which it won't harm to our OS, system OS. So next is Java is dynamic in nature. So all the Java methods are linked dynamically at the runtime, because every time Java runs, so everything related to the execution, it is not finalized at the compile time. During the program execution of the Java, many internal native methods are linked with the dynamically during the runtime. So everything is not finalized during the compilation time. So most of the execution, like most of the things will be happens at the runtime only, because the best example for this one is the polymorphism. So in this polymorphism, which method should call, which class we need to invoke, everything will be decided at the runtime only. It is not decided by the compile time. So we can say that Java is a dynamic in nature. During the runtime only, the most of the things will be decided. Okay, next is multi-threading. Thread indicates the individual process to execute the group of statement. That means, so handling the multitask simultaneously by the different thread is called multi-threading. Suppose we have multiple tasks to be executed. If I start executing one by one, right, each task, it will take lot of time and lot of memory also. So in that case, we have Java, we have the multi-threading concept. So each thread will execute different tasks simultaneously by sharing the common memory area. So this is also very important, by sharing the common memory area, so that the memory consumption is also very less. So by effective use of the same memory resources and multi threads will be executed at the same time. Okay, this is the overall concept of the multi-threading. Yeah, I think we have 8 main features of the Java. Java is a simple design, object-oriented, platform-independent, high-performance distributed, robust and secure, dynamic and multi-threading. So due to these features, Java we can consider as a very effective programming language. Sometimes an interviewer may ask direct question like, explain the Java features. In that case, you can pick any 4 or 5 features, and if you explain, that is enough. With 1 or 2 lines of explanation, that is enough. Most of the time, the interviewer will ask specific question like why Java is platform independent, whether JVM is platform independent or dependent, and why Java is considered as a more secure language. Can you explain the multi-threading concept? You should be aware like, so how to answer and what to be answered. I think these things are covered in this video. So if you go through this video, maybe that is enough to explain these features. And that's it for today. And thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit button if you like this video. If you don't like it, please hit dislike button. And don't forget to subscribe this channel for other updates. Thank you.